Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm, and after that go back and now click on reset network settings. Now click on reset settings and after that go back to settings and now click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.